Alright, so something happened today. This is a 2021 CRF110. We just picked it up from the dealership, and there's a little bit of a story behind it. Let's talk about it. Let's start the story from the beginning. This was my first pit bike. This is an 06 CRF50. It is now currently a big bore 88cc with possibly almost everything you could have done to this motor in somewhat stock form. As you can see, white walls, etc., etc. Now we built this bike with the intention of it being a show bike, and that's what it is. Now we have been riding this bike here. We ride it with the kid while she's riding her bike. However, this thing is a bit scary. This is 12.5 horsepower in this small frame. Dyno. I can send the dyno sheets if you need it. Message below. Anyway, we bought this. We then went to the Groms. These were our first brand new bikes, a 2019 and a 2020. And then I realized how absolutely and incredibly easy it is to buy brand new bikes. And so we land here with a 2021 CRF110. Now, why did we get this? Well, do we really need more bikes when we already have a lot? We'll just say a lot of bikes. Bike tour coming up, by the way. No, we probably didn't. However, when the kid is riding her bike and she wants mom and dad to ride with her, we didn't really have an option for that. So what did we do? We went out, we bought the 110. The 110 is going to be a little more nice as far as the power goes for delivery for the missus. It's also big enough for dad to ride. Realistically, I bought it because the cockpit on the 50 is a little bit small for me. When I sit on that thing, I can only sit on that thing for a certain amount of time before my butt gets sore. However, with the 110, it's a much bigger cockpit. It's much, much nicer. And I mean, let's face it, you guys don't really want to hear me talk like this. You guys want to see riding action. It's almost time. I gotta go pick the kid up from school, and then we're gonna ride. So let's cut the talking, let's cut the crap, let's go get some GoPro and some video footage of us riding. Right, so just finished ripping the pitter a little bit. As you saw from the GoPro footage, went down the street. The kid down the street has a pitter too, so that was kind of fun. We went down there, did a couple jumps, and yeah, just a great time. We've got some upgrades we're gonna do to this thing. Nothing crazy. We're not gonna do like some huge super like 144 build or anything crazy like that. We're gonna do some basic stuff. We're gonna do some powder coating on some stuff. We need an exhaust. We need some pro taper bars. We need like some, almost dropped the mini bike. We need some upgraded foot pegs. You know, little basic easy things, some new levers. that kind of stuff. That's what we're gonna do to this thing. Other than that, we're gonna keep it pretty stock and it's gonna be great. But man, these things are fun. If you get a chance to get one, do not hesitate. The electric start is awesome. We just need to make sure we keep our battery charged up for it. So, super excited. Glad to have another Honda. And here's the real big problem though. I now have 8 Hondas. I have a CRF110. I have 2 Honda Groms. I have a CRF450. I have 2 Honda F4Is. And I have a 93 125. I like even round number. I'm getting to 10.